This video is to assist you in helping your students get signed up on Desmos. So students are going to go to desmos.com. We're going to go to sign up. For email address, they want to use their district email. And then they're going to type in their name. And then they're going to use their district password as well. And they're going to create an account. Once they create the account, you see Raven pops up here, so her account is created. Most of the work that students do will be at student.desmos.com. And this will typically be the screen that they see once they log in.